Welcome back to Gagne Farms, everybody. I'm Candace, and I'm back today with some more of our traditional family recipes for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed our sugar pie recipe. If you tried it, let me know. That would be awesome. That was dedicated to my mother-in-law, to Eric's mom, and today's recipe is in honor of my mom. For Christmas, my mom makes the most amazing scalloped potatoes. And this has been tested by the one and only Eric Gagne, who is the pickiest eater I have ever known in my life. I have never gotten this man to eat any other kind of potato except homemade mashed potatoes. Nothing wrong with those, but he loves my mom's scalloped potatoes. So come join me and watch how we make them. We're going to preset our oven for 375. I gathered up some of our potatoes from our garden, and now the next step is just to peel them. After I peel them, I'm going to put them in some ice water that I have here in the pot. Why, you might ask? Because my mommy told me to. At this rate, we'll eat scalloped potatoes tomorrow. So it's really no secret after I'm putting this video out that I am the worst potato peeler ever. My aunt bought me this potato peeler so that I could maybe be a little bit better at it. I don't know, I just never seem to have gotten the knack of it. What are you gonna do? The next step is to cut up some ham steaks. I'm gonna take 2 ham steaks and cut them up into about 1-inch squares. I'm sure Eric will have something to say about my cutting abilities also. So they're not so even. There's other people like me, right? That's why they invented all these different cutting machines. I'm gonna use the handy dandy blender to slice up the potatoes. That way they're guaranteed to be even. In a buttered bowl, you'll want to put a thin layer of sliced potatoes down on the bottom. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, and you're just going to shake that over the top of that layer. I'm going to add some garlic, salt, pepper, and then you put about 3 to 5 pats of butter. Then you want to layer on some ham. You're going to continue this process by making layers. Lay your potatoes down, your flour, your seasonings, your ham, and continue like that until you are close to the top of the bowl. I'm going to warm up 2 1/4 cups of milk. And pour that into the bowl over your wonderful layers. The next step is to put tin foil over the bowl and put it in the oven. took the scalloped potatoes out of the oven. We're gonna open it up and see the glory. Mom's scalloped potatoes, I can hardly wait. Now that's the taste of the holidays. Thanks, Mom, for always being a great inspiration to me. We're gonna enjoy your recipe now and always. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time. This is what happens when Chicken Mama peels potatoes.